VLOOKUP works like a search engine. For example, when we insert a ATM card, it immediately gives result, account holder name, how much balance, like that. We can able to search particular number in database. Let's see how we can do that. Management asked to give two details of employee number is given. So first it looking for value. Employee number is this one. We have to search. This is HR database. This is finance database. This is administration database. So we will see whether it is available in the entire database. It is available in HR database, then finance, then administration. Okay, now it means our VLOOKUP will work fine. Same way for this 1 to 2, we have to search. It is available, then administration also it is available. Easily we can construct formula. First we need to write VLOOKUP. You click on here. What is lookup value? This one. Then we want name. So go to the table. Within this range, we want number 2, column number 2. So we just give it column number 2. Then logic, if not available, give blank. Say OK. You copy. We want salary of these people, then we have to do the same way VLOOKUP. Give the range. If you want, we can click it, function. Give this one. Here we want give this range. Column index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give 5. Then 0. This total salary is available now. Same way we can copy it. Any pending are there from administration side, just again we can do VLOOKUP. Column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If not available, give 0. Write formula minus. Basically, first thing, it searches the value in step 1. Then it is searches the value within the selection range. Third one is on which column fetch data. Fourth step, if it is not available, then it will not give result. I hope that this video will be very useful for beginners. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.